Don't launch another ad until you watch this Atria review. I cloned 40 winning competitor ads in 12 minutes. Here's exactly what happened to our ROAS. This is Atria, and after 30 days of letting it run our creative workflow at E, I need to talk about what it actually did to our numbers. Welcome to SaaS Trac. Today we're diving into Atria, an AI-powered ad platform that takes you from blank screen to live campaign completely on autopilot. Let's get into it. Redefining the marketing workflow. Atria is a powerhouse ad creation and management platform built for performance marketers. Imagine if the most tedious parts of your job, brainstorming, production, and campaign analysis, could happen automatically. Atria helps you find ideas that resonate, create ads with a single click, and provides recommendations on exactly what to test next so you can stop staring at dashboards and start scaling. Radar. Your AI strategic eye. The Radar tool is like having a 24/7 creative strategist in your pocket. It analyzes your hooks, call to actions, and visuals to find the easy wins in your account. Instead of analyzing a messy spreadsheet, Radar tells you exactly what to change to turn your underperforming ads into high-performing assets. Analytics without the mess. If you've ever struggled to navigate the Meta ad account interface, you'll appreciate Atria's social media analytics. It pulls your data into clean, beautiful dashboards that let you see the big picture instantly. No more digging through a mess of tabs just to see how your creative is actually performing. Scaling at the speed of AI ad cloning is the feature that changes the game for agencies and brands. By copying winning ideas and adapting them in seconds, teams are cutting their iteration cycles in half and boosting ROAS by up to 40%. We're going to walk through a complete creative workflow using a coffee brand as an example to show you how this looks in practice. Step 1, ideation and account connection. Everything starts with step 1, ideation. Connecting your ad accounts to Atria takes less than 30 seconds. Once connected, the algorithm, which has analyzed over $1 billion in ad spend, identifies patterns and opportunities that a human eye would simply miss, breaking down every asset by audience and performance metrics. Competitor intelligence. The ad playbook. Want to know exactly how your competitors are winning? Search for any brand and get access to their entire ad playbook. You can see their media mix, the personas they're targeting, and the hooks they use most often. By following a brand, you get real-time alerts on every new campaign they launch, so you're never caught off guard. The Discovery and Asset Library. The Discovery Library allows you to search through ads tagged by AI. You can filter by theme, industry, or format, like video versus carousel, to find exactly what you need in seconds. You can save these to boards, ensuring your team always has a fresh stack of high-quality inspiration for your next launch. Customer-centric review mining. Great ads often come from the customers themselves. Atria's review mining tool allows you to upload a CSV of customer review data. In seconds, the AI extracts sentiment and key phrases to generate new ad angles based on real customer feedback, cutting out hours of manual research. Step 2, creative execution. Once you've found an idea, step 2 is creation. By clicking Clone Ad and providing your product URL, Atria generates on-brand imagery and copy. You can swap out product assets, regenerate specific elements, and finalize your design in moments, completely bypassing the slow back and forth usually required with a design team. Step 3, deep performance analysis. The final step is analysis. Atria takes your performance metrics and lays them out clearly, showing how you're tracking against your specific targets. It groups similar ads by theme or emotion, allowing you to see which ad angles are actually resonating. If your coffee preparation ads are outperforming everything else, you'll know exactly where to double down. Collaborative team reporting Atria makes it easy to share these insights with your team. You can build custom reports comparing spend, ROAS, and thumb stop rates side by side. Asset management is equally intuitive. The AI automatically tags your uploads so you can search by visual element, hook, or even color, making it easy to mix and match scenes for your next fresh campaign. Pricing, scaling with your needs. Atria offers tiered plans to fit every stage of your business. For small teams, the core plan starts at $129 per month, billed annually, which includes 5 seats, supports up to $500K in ad spend, and offers 4,000 AI credits. For growing teams, the Plus plan at $269 per month, billed annually, offers 8 seats, 1 mm in ad spend support, and a massive 1 TB of asset storage with 10,000 AI credits. For high-scaled marketing teams, the business plan provides 15 seats, unlimited ad spend support, 5 TB of storage, and 25,000 AI credits per month. If you're a large organization, the Enterprise plan offers custom solutions and dedicated support. All plans also allow you to add extra seats for just $20 per month. The Atria difference. That is the complete Atria workflow. While other teams are still getting lost in spreadsheets and manually copying competitors, you'll be iterating faster, spending smarter, and scaling what works. If you're ready to put your ad performance on autopilot, make sure to like this video and subscribe to SaaS Trac.